who was the man behind the iconic equation E equals mc squared. Let's dive into the extraordinary life of Albert Einstein, a name that has become synonymous with genius itself. Born in UMA, Germany in 1879, young Albert wasn't your typical child prodigy. In fact, he was a late talker. But his curiosity about the unseen forces of the universe was present from a very early age. After renouncing his German citizenship to avoid military service, he became a Swiss citizen and studied physics and math in Zurich. But surprisingly, he couldn't land a teaching job right away. Instead, he found work as a clerk in the Swiss Patent Office. It was here, in his spare time, that he would change the world forever. The year 1905 is known as Einstein's Annus Mirabilis, or Miracle Year, at just 26 years old. While working as a patent clerk, he published 4 groundbreaking papers. First, he explained the photoelectric effect, proposing that light is made of tiny packets of energy called photons. This idea laid the groundwork for quantum theory and would later win him the 1921 Nobel Prize in Physics. Second, he provided mathematical proof for the existence of atoms and molecules by explaining the random jiggling of particles in a fluid known as Brownian motion. But he was just getting started. His third paper introduced the special theory of relativity. It proposed 2 radical ideas. The laws of physics are the same for everyone, and the speed of light is constant, no matter who is measuring it. This led to his 4th paper and the most famous equation in history, E equals mc. This elegant formula revealed a stunning truth that mass and energy are 2 sides of the same coin and can be converted into one another. 10 years later, in 1915, Einstein unveiled his masterpiece, the general theory of relativity. He completely redefined our understanding of gravity. It wasn't a force pulling objects together, as Newton had suggested. Instead, Einstein described it as a curvature in the fabric of space-time itself, caused by massive objects like planets and stars. Imagine placing a bowling ball on a trampoline. That's how planets warp space-time, and smaller objects simply follow those curves. This theory predicted everything from the bending of starlight to the existence of black holes. As his fame grew, he moved through prestigious academic positions across Europe. But with the rise of the Nazi Party in Germany, Einstein, who was Jewish, made a life-changing decision. In 1933, he emigrated to the United States. Taking up a post at the Institute for Advanced Study in Princeton, New Jersey, where he would spend the rest of his life. Beyond his scientific endeavors, Einstein was a passionate humanitarian and pacifist. Although his work indirectly led to the atomic age, he was deeply troubled by its destructive potential. He co-signed a letter to President Roosevelt warning of the possibility of a German nuclear weapon, which prompted the Manhattan Project. After the war, he became a tireless advocate for nuclear disarmament and global peace. He spent his later years searching for a unified field theory, a single framework to explain all the forces of nature, a quest that still occupies physicists today. Albert Einstein passed away in 1955, leaving behind a legacy that is almost immeasurable. He didn't just add to our knowledge, he fundamentally reshaped our perception of reality, space, time, and the cosmos. His relentless curiosity and profound insights continue to inspire scientists and dreamers around the world. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey through the life of a true giant of science. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more stories about the minds that shaped our world. See you in the next one.